What's going on, guys? So I'm coming back with another video. Today we're going to be finishing up the supports for the bed cage. We're going to my buddy Cade's shop right now, and we're going to finish the welding up there. I'm bringing all the stuff over. We got the bed sides in the bed of this truck. Cade is currently driving my truck, and I'm questioning my life choices right now. I'm not sure if that was the best idea. Today, press the button. Oh, yeah. You're good. All right, guys. So we're out here welding today. Nikola doesn't know how cameras work, apparently. That's why he only uploads once a year. And so we're out here, you know. So we're getting these bedside supports on. These ding-dingers right up there and right there. And oh shit. Don't. Okay, we're not gonna set that there anymore. So like, what do you know about them dimes, son? You know? Actually, that doesn't look that good on camera. Okay, I ain't no weld porn master, but things are going good. We're using the old Miller-Matic here. And check out the new shop. Now. Alright, boys, little sneak preview. See how it's looking. It's gonna look fast. That's how it's gonna look. Oh shit. Look at that. Actually looks so good on camera, dude. You legit have a trophy truck. That's awesome. I'm so excited. Damn, that looks really fucking fast. Fireworks. Hey guys, that pink Ford here. Just a little thing I noticed. See those bad boys? Look at this traitor. What are you doing? What? You're a pussy. Why? Because you are one. It's a secret. Only the subscribers know. Okay. Yeah. So we just kind of finished up. We still got a couple more things to button up, but for the most part, the bed cage is like pretty much done. It's weird to think of how big of a project this is, and it's kind of coming to an end. But so we have the bed sides temporarily mocked up right now. What we did is we just welded this 3/4 inch tube up to here, put some flat stock, and then the bed side's able to wrap around and kind of hook onto here. And we added this, these bars that go across. There's going to be a plate of aluminum that goes across there to prevent the windshield from cracking. We put in a hitch receiver, which is all cleanly in there. Added these plates and the license plate holder. So everything's kind of coming together. It's exciting to see everything how it is now.
It's extremely badass.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.